Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. Also, if you remember, I was challenged by coupon wins with Lynn's to see who could get the better deals for their Walmart Wednesday haul. Now, we defined that as lowest price per item, not including any Ibotta bonuses. So, as I'm saying this out loud, I realize I haven't calculated my price per item, so I will do that here in just a moment. That way I can tell you what I actually paid per item. If you know me, you probably know that I love a good competition. I love it. It's so fun. Of course, I always play to win, but I'm super okay if I don't win because that just means I found a really good competitor. And if I spend time around people who are better at things than I am, I'm likely to get better at those things, or at least that's how I look at it. So I was very excited. I remember when my son was like 4 or 5 years old, I could totally destroy him in Candyland. Mom for the win. Now he actually legit beats me at games quite a bit, and he loves it because he earned it. I am also at 3,000 subscribers, which is so fun. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. If you like my video content, please give it a thumbs up. I promised I would be doing a $20 gift card giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for my next video where I will give you all the details related to that giveaway. Okay, now let's jump into these deals. The first one I'm going to tell you about is the one that I did last week as well. It's still a go. It's on these enormous bags of multi-meal cereal. They're priced at $3.48 at my store, but when you buy 2, Shopkick is giving back 1,700 kicks, and 1,700 kicks is equivalent to $6.80. So you buy 2 for $6.96, you get $6.80 back on Shopkick, making them 16 cents total, or just 8 cents each. Now, if you don't have Shopkick yet, definitely grab it using my referral code. You will get an additional 250 kicks back when you sign up and scan your first receipt. So super great deal on these. Next items that I grabbed was a new item for me. I had been wanting to try them. It is the traditional medicinals tea. So this was a swag bucks offer. So I'm always looking for good swag bucks offers. There was an offer for 800 swag bucks back, which is $8. When you buy 2 of the traditional medicinal teas, they're only priced at $4.32 in my store. Online, the price actually showed a little bit higher. I posted this deal on my Instagram page, Save with Christina, a few days ago, but this was the first time that I was able to get in the store and actually do the deal. So they were $4.32 each, which means I paid $8.64, and I got back $8 immediately on Swagbucks when I submitted my receipt, making these just 64 cents or 32 cents each. Now, tip with Swagbucks, don't buy your entire shopping haul including a Swagbucks offer. You will have issues. I always buy my Swagbucks deals on a separate receipt. So I was at self-checkout, I scanned these, I paid for them, and I actually immediately uploaded my receipt because if you know Swagbucks, their offers disappear randomly. Like you can be in the store buying a product and their offer will disappear. That has happened to me before and it's not fun. But these did process immediately $8 back, making them just 32 cents each. So that was a fantastic deal. The next one I want to tell you about is on this Carnation Breakfast Essentials 6-pack. So I have to thank my girl Sabine over with Sabine's Phenomenal Savings. She's the one that I heard about this deal from. She was able to find a Peely on the front that was for a $5 rebate. Now you don't need the Peely. I will give you the information in the printable Google document that you can find in the video description box below. But when you buy a participating product, you get $5 back from Carnation Breakfast. So these are the rich milk chocolate. They were priced at $6.50. And I had a $1 off coupon that I used from their website, paying $5.50 and then getting $5 back for the rebate. Now, I don't have information for you on how that rebate went yet because I haven't submitted it yet, but I will provide the link to where you can get all the details in that printable document. So I made these just 50 cents for a 6-pack of Carnation Breakfast Essentials. So I think that's a good price. That's not something I've ever purchased before. I'm hoping my husband will drink them and like them. All right, next deal is on the Country Crock Plant Butter. Now, I use plant butter all the time. The tubs of this butter were a little bit cheaper. So the sticks were $2.98. I want to say the tubs were like $2.18 or $2.78, but this is the kind that I use, so this is what I bought. So $2.98 for the 4-pack. I got $1 back on Ibotta, and I got $1 back on Checkout 51, making this just 98 cents. A freebie that I was able to find from Ibotta was this Laughing Cow blends. They're priced at $2.98. Ibotta is giving $2.99 back, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. And just make sure you get the blends. It wasn't all of them that were free after rebate. It was the ones that say blends on them. All right. Another deal that I did already, and I did again, is on these Gerber teether wheels. So I was kind of kidding. I was planning to donate this last time I bought it, and I told my son he should try them. My son is 11, so that is way outside the range for who these are intended for. But he ate them, and I think he ate them to be funny. I don't know, but he told me he liked them and he wanted more. I guess I'll find out today if he was serious or not, if he decides to eat them again. $1.96 with $1.50 back on Ibotta. The last time I bought these, like an any item for 10 cents applied. This time there wasn't one of those that applied, so I paid 46 cents total for these wheels. All right, I think that was it for the food. And I think that's kind of my favorite is the food deals. I enjoy getting deals on food because if it's not something we eat, I feel good being able to donate that to the food bank and someone is benefiting from my coupon shopping. All right, so the personal care deals. And I will say this, if I was truly being competitive, I probably wouldn't have bought a couple of these items, but I was trying to balance showing you what I think are some amazing deals this week with trying to compete and beat coupon wins with Lynn's. So in all honesty, if I was being super competitive, I would not have purchased this Shea Moisture, and I'll tell you about that here in a minute. But I did grab this deal again. Did this a few weeks ago, doing it again. It is on the Degree Maximum Recovery Massage Bars. Well, apparently you still have to do the work. It doesn't massage you for you, which would be super cool. If they could come out with a soap that does that, I'm all in. $2.97 each, so $5.94 for both of them. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each of them, so you get $2 total back. And then the Shop Kick bundle. For the bundle deal, you have to buy a women's and a men's product. There are lots of different products that qualify. I believe these are the cheapest 2 products that do qualify. So you would get 740 kicks back, which is equivalent to $2.96. So that makes these 98 cents total, or just 49 cents each. Now with Shop Kick, if I haven't mentioned this already, 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 740 divided by 250 is how I came up with that being $2.96. Another degree deal where I purchased a women's and a men's product is on the Motion Sense spray deodorants. So these are $4.97 each. Now, if you still have the $2 coupons from the March 14th Unilever, you would use 2 of those, one for the women's, one for the men's. You would pay $5.88. Now, you will get back $1.25 each on Ibotta, so $2.50 back total on Ibotta. You would get 750 kicks from Shopkick when you scan them and purchase them. So that's another $3 back, making these 44 cents for both of them, or just 22 cents each. Again, as I mentioned in my last video, that's not something that I use. So again, another great donation item. Okay, so a moneymaker deal for me, and unfortunately, I think the Ibotta offer is gone now, but double check your Ibotta app. If you don't have Ibotta yet, I don't know what you're doing. Grab the Ibotta app. Using my referral code, you will unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses, and I can almost guarantee you, I know everyone's different, you won't be disappointed. Ibotta is a super cool app. Okay, so I purchased this Colgate Renewal. It is priced at $6.96. $7 for toothpaste? No. Okay, $6.96. There is a $1 off coupon that I'm gonna link for you in the printable Google document. It's just off their website. So I paid $5.96, but Ibotta was giving $5 back. Okay, they were also giving 10 cents back for any toothpaste. So I got $5.10 back from Ibotta, but Shopkick, when I scan it and purchase it, was giving 515 kicks back, making it free and $1.20 moneymaker. So great deal on the Colgate. Again, double check your Ibotta app. I believe that $5 rebate may be gone, but it could pop back up, so just keep an eye on it. All right, another great deal, and I did this deal twice, and I was able to do it twice because the offer reset. I bought one, I believe, on Monday, and then I bought one today. It is on the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. It's $4.94, and if you can see this right here, there was a Peely coupon stuck to them. It was a bunch of Peely coupons on these at my store. $1.50 off. So I paid $3.44, but Shopkick, when I scanned it and purchased it, gave me 925 kicks back, which is $3.70. So it made each of these a 26-cent moneymaker. So free for me. The other deal I grabbed, this tiny little travel Gillette deodorant, is $1.97. Ibotta did give me $1 back for it. It shows and scans that it qualifies. Shopkick gave me $1.68 or 420 kicks, making this just 29 cents. All right, now the last deal is the one I said, if I was truly being super competitive, I wouldn't have purchased it. I think the Shopkick offer was higher earlier in the week, but I didn't get a chance to purchase it until today. The store I went to on Monday just didn't carry it. So it's on these Shea Moisture body washes. They are $7.97 each, so almost $8 a piece. But there is a $5 off 2 coupon in the March 14th Unilever that I used. So I paid $10.94. Ibotta gave me $2 back each on these, so it was $4 back on Ibotta. And then I also got 10 cents on Ibotta. I think it was any soap maybe is what popped up, but it was 10 cents back for an any offer. And then I got $5.04 back on Shopkick. So that was 1,260 kicks when I scan it and purchase it, making it $1.80 for both of them, or just 90 cents each. So if this is a product that you like that's normally $8, getting it for 90 cents is awesome. I really wanted to just be able to show you the deal. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed them. The Shopkick deal, be careful, you have to buy 2 different kinds because it's a bundle deal. So there's like 2 options you can buy here, 2 options you can buy here. You have to do one of each in order to get that bundle deal on Shopkick. Now, I did scan all of my receipts to the Fetch Rewards app because Fetch Rewards will always give you money back or points back, even if there's not a specific offer that you're redeeming for Fetch Rewards. So I did scan that. There were some great Fetch Rewards offers that I just couldn't do because my store didn't have them. There is a product that popped up this morning, Viennetta ice cream. It's like an ice cream cake, I believe. I'll put it up here on the screen, that way you can see it. But it was 100% points back. So if your store has that, that would be an awesome deal to grab while you're there. The Klondike products also still have offers on my Fetch Rewards, but again, my store isn't carrying those newer products, so I haven't been able to purchase them. Okay, so I'm gonna pause here just for a second, and that way I can grab my cheat sheet and tell you how much per item my total was. Including the bonus, I was able to get it all for free. So give me just a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? All right, so $4.52 is what I paid for all 18 items, which comes out to 25 cents per item, which is awesome deal. But I did get the $5 midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, which of course made it all free, and a 48-cent moneymaker, which is why Ibotta is so cool, because it takes me from paying almost $5 to making it all free and making a little bit of money. So awesome, awesome deals. Coupon wins with Linz. I just know you did a fantastic job. Whoever loses will have to do the chicken dance in Walmart. Is that what we agreed on, or just had to do the chicken dance? I don't know. Either way, my son is going to be very excited if I have to do the chicken dance, especially in public. So stay tuned. Check out her video. Let's see who won. I don't know yet. I haven't watched her video, so I am also very excited to see it. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. If you're not already following me over on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. See you guys soon.